Noodles ba?
Noodles ba kayo?
Kasi lucky me.
But seriously, good evening everyone. Thank you very much for organizing this very momentous. Of course, I am very happy tonight, but I know you're happier. As a professor for more than 1 decade, it's not new for us. No? Some professors don't allow this. I allow this. Alright. But at any rate, I appreciate all the efforts. Gumastos pa kayo, sayang ng pera yung mga anak. No? Okay na yung magsama tayo, celebrate Valentine's, wala na masyadong gastos. No? Para bang message ko, pero may magpakuha naman tonight. Valentine's, of course, talk about love, pag-ibig. And if you talk about love, ano pwedeng advice ko sa inyo? Primarily, just remember that love is something like just a word, unless you give meaning to it. Diba? Now, if you talk about love, always sa akin, primarily, you talk about forgiveness. Importante yun. So, I urge everyone to take this opportunity na yung Valentine's month to ask an apology. Humingi ng tawad sa mga taong magkasala kayo at matuto kayong magpatawad doon sa mga taong nagkakasala sa inyo. I think that's the best way for us to celebrate Valentine's. No? And of course, pag sinabi natin Valentine's, you try to rekindle, of course, yung pagmamahal sa magulang, sa pamilya, sa kamag-anak, sa girlfriends, sa boyfriends, sa mga tao sa paligid natin. Minsan bilang isang estudyante, ako estudyante rin ng araw, nakakalimutan natin yun, di ba? Sometimes, akala natin hindi natin sila appreciate na, di ba, yung mga tao sa paligid natin. Ang hirap mag-aral, ang hirap maging law student, di ba? But at the end of the day, you have to appreciate the people around you. Alam mo kasi, iba-ibang paraan, pinapakita yung pagmamahal. Meron mga taong hindi masyadong showy, but they're there for you no matter what, regardless of what, di ba? So, you should love your parents, you should love your families, you love your siblings, of course, again, the people around you, and you spread love. You know, happiness is a decision, di ba? We decide whether we want to be happy or not. Try to recall when you were young, no? Parang akong bata, gusto ko ng maliit na kotse. Di ba? Now, sabi ko nila, man is in search of an unknown happiness. Hindi tayo kontento. Di ba? Nung bata tayo, gusto ko maliit na kotse. Eventually, yung tatay ko, binigyan ng maliit na kotse. Gusto ko yung bigger yung na kotse na. Mas malaki na. Di ba? Pero nabigyan ako, gusto ko yung mas malaki pa. So, tayo, we're in search of an unknown happiness. Hindi tayo kontento. But, talking about Valentine's, kasi love is happiness. So I want you, my friends, to be contented with what you have. You decide to be happy. Because at the end of the day, happiness is a decision. Parang gano'n, no? So, if I say happiness, you try to appreciate the people around you. You try to appreciate what you have. Hindi man kayo kasing palad na ibang kasama niyo dito, ibang tao sa paligid niyo. But you try to count your blessings. Di ba? Alam niyo, ang hirap minsan masyado tayong kinukumpara natin mga sarili natin sa ibang tao. But before you sleep, you try to count your blessings. Like ako, every time malungkot ako, devastated ako, hindi naman everyday Pasko di ba? Pero sa akin, lagi parang, tomorrow is a new day. Ang bilis ko mag-handle na kaya ko na lagi yan. So you do the same thing. Not your night tonight, right? It's not your night. Hindi magandang situation. Tomorrow's a new day. There's always hope. Di ba? Ganun. Now, so yun lang gusto ko sabihin. You spread love and magpasalamat, yung gratitude, magpasalamat sa Panginoon, and try to do one good deed every day. Yan, no? And please do it consciously. Di ba? Yung simpleng maging generous ka. Hindi mo kailangan maging mayaman ka para maging generous ka. Di ba? Yung simpleng sobrang piso sa bulsa mo na ibibigay mo. Huwag mo tangin kung nag-a-addict ba yan, ibigay mo. Di ba? Yung simpleng sandwich na natira sa'yo na ibibigay mo, di ba, sa matanda. yung pagpapaupo sa MRT, little things, people. No? I want you to do one good deed every day and try to think of it. No? Come to think of it. Pag lahat ng tao gumagawa na, at least one good deed a day. Di ba? Napakasarap mabuhay sa mundo ito. Okay? So, yun lang mga kaibigan. No? You should continue dreaming. You should believe on your capacity to shine. Diba? You should trust yourselves. Always remember, there's always someone better. Diba? Kaya hindi ka pwede maging sobrang yabang. Laging mayroong isang tao mas magaling sa'yo. That's why every day you strive to be better. You should work harder. And of course, you make your dreams a reality. Someday, believe you me, I will see you in court. But not as an accused. Diba? So you aim high, you soar high. Just remember what your minds can perceive can always be achieved. With that, maraming salamat. Together, we can. Yan lang. Ano pa? Naubos na